guys, good morning and welcome to IKSHAK Academy. Here is a question, and this question is a complicated question, but not very hard. So now we are going to solve this question. If Tn equals to sin theta plus cos theta, then prove that T3 minus T5 by T1 equals to T5 minus T7 by T3. You have to prove this thing. So first of all, Tn equals to sin theta plus cos theta. So T1. Okay, sin theta plus cos theta, that means here is power n, sin n theta and cos n theta. Okay, so T1 equals to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, we have put the value of 1 at the place of n. T2, here T2 is not mentioned, so T3 equals to sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Then T5 will be your sin 5 theta plus cos 5 theta. Then T1, T3, T7. Okay. Then T3 minus T1. Just find out T3 minus T5. This is T3 minus T5. Just remove the brackets so the signs will be changed. Right? Then arrange this thing. Then now you can take the common from this sin cube theta. That's 1 minus sin square theta, right? Because here the power is 5, so 3. When we multiply, then the power will be added. So this is sin square theta. Then here cos cube theta will be taken as common, 1 minus cos square theta. So this will be sin cube theta into 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. You have already known about this. That is the formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So here cos cube theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay. Then just here cos square theta and sin square theta are present. So sin square theta into cos square theta will be taken as common. So here sin square theta and cos square theta common. Then here is sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Let's just look at this line. That is sin square theta into cos square theta. Sin square theta into cos square theta. That is sin square theta into sin theta into sin cube theta into cos square theta. Plus here is sin square theta and cos cube theta. So this is right. T3 minus T5 equals to sin square theta into cos square theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta is T1. So we can write here T1. So this is T3. Okay. Achha, right. This is T3 minus T5. Okay. Then now now we are going to solve this part as like as this. That is T5 minus T7. That is equal to your T5 is sin 5 theta plus cos 5 theta. Just remove the brackets. The signs will be changed. So here is sin 7 theta minus cos 7 theta. So arrange this. This is the power, okay? Plus cos 5 theta minus cos 7 theta. Just take common 1 minus sin square theta plus cos 5 theta 1 minus cos square theta. So sin 5 theta into cos square theta plus cos 5 theta into sin square theta. Then so this is T5 minus T7. Here sin square theta and cos square theta will be taken as common. Then sin square theta, here is cos square theta, this is sin square theta. So this will be sin 3 theta, sin cube theta. Okay, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Then this is plus, here is cos 5 theta, so this is cos 3 theta because here is cos square theta. So this will be sin square theta into cos square theta into sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Here is sin cube theta plus cos cube theta is your T3 into T3. So T5 minus T7 equals to sin square theta into cos square theta into T3. This. So now now we can put that these things to prove this, that is T3 minus T5 by T1 here is equal to T3 minus T5 is here, that is sin square theta into cos square theta into T1 by T1. So T1 will be cancelled, that is sin square theta into cos square theta, right? Then T5 minus T7 by, here is T3, okay. So T5 minus T7 is sin square theta into cos square theta into T3 by T3. Okay, T3 will be cancelled out. Then this is sin square theta into cos square. So in these two cases, the result is sin square theta and cos square theta. Hence, this is proved. That is T3 minus T5 by T1 is equal to T5 minus T7 by T3 proved.